Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0234 indicates an issue known as the Turbocharger Overboost Problem in the 2023 Honda Accord. This diagnostic trouble code suggests that the turbocharger, which is designed to enhance engine performance by forcing more air into the combustion chamber, is generating excessive boost pressure. When this occurs, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which is responsible for monitoring and controlling the engine's performance, detects the abnormal conditions and stores the error code. The problem typically originates from the turbocharger's various components, including the turbocharger boost sensor, wastegate control actuator, and bypass control valves. Understanding the locations and functions of these components is critical for diagnosing and resolving the issue effectively. This comprehensive guide will delve into the symptoms, causes, and detailed troubleshooting steps necessary to address DTC P0234. DTC P0234 signifies that the turbocharger boost pressure has exceeded expected levels. The PCM is alerted to this anomaly, which leads to the logging of the error code. Key components involved in this issue are the turbocharger boost sensor, which measures the boost pressure, the turbocharger wastegate control actuator, responsible for regulating the boost pressure through the wastegate, and the turbocharger bypass control components, which help manage excess boost. These components are typically located near the turbocharger itself, making them accessible for inspection and testing. The proper functioning of each is crucial for maintaining optimal turbocharger performance and preventing overboost conditions, which can lead to engine damage and reduced efficiency. Several factors could lead to the triggering of DTC P0234. A faulty turbocharger boost sensor might provide inaccurate readings to the PCM, causing it to misinterpret the boost level. Similarly, if the turbocharger wastegate control actuator is malfunctioning, it may not open as required to regulate excess boost, leading to overboost conditions. Additionally, any blockage or leakage in the turbocharger bypass control line can prevent the normal escape of excess boost pressure. Lastly, issues within the PCM itself, such as hardware malfunctions, could falsely indicate that a turbocharger overboost condition is occurring. Each cause should be thoroughly investigated to ensure proper diagnosis and resolution of the problem. Drivers experiencing DTC P0234 may notice several concerning symptoms. One of the most prominent signs is a loss of acceleration, as the engine struggles to maintain boost within safe parameters. Engine stalling may occur, disrupting vehicle operation and potentially leading to dangerous situations in traffic. Additionally, drivers might hear unexpected noises from the turbocharger, indicating that it is not functioning correctly. The check engine light will also illuminate on the dashboard, serving as a direct alert to the driver that an issue exists within the engine's performance parameters. These symptoms signify a need for immediate attention to avoid further damage to engine components. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0234 is to start the engine and maintain the RPM at approximately 3,000 without a load, which means keeping the vehicle in neutral. This process is crucial as it helps to visualize the engine's behavior under controlled conditions and verify that the radiator fan activates appropriately. By doing this, you ensure that the engine does not overheat during the testing phase, as the increase in RPM can raise temperature levels. Once the RPM is stable, observe the engine's sound and performance to identify any irregularities. This preliminary step lays the groundwork for more detailed inspections and diagnostics that will follow. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to perform a functional inspection of the barometric pressure sensor. Start by checking the atmospheric pressure with a barometer to establish a baseline. The HDS should display a barosensor value that closely matches this atmospheric pressure. If the value deviates significantly, it suggests a malfunction in the sensor itself, which may not be accurately reporting the atmospheric conditions. Such discrepancies can lead to turbocharging issues, since the PCM relies on these readings to adjust the engine's performance. Confirming the state of the barosensor is vital before proceeding to check the other components involved in the turbocharging system. Following the barometric pressure sensor check, the next task is to inspect the turbocharger boost sensor. Similar to the previous step, begin by checking atmospheric pressure with a barometer. Turn the vehicle's ignition to the on position, but keep the engine off while you confirm the readings from the HDS. The turbocharger boost sensor should provide a reading that corresponds closely with the previously noted atmospheric pressure. If the readings are significantly off, this indicates a faulty boost sensor that requires replacement. The accuracy of the boost sensor is critical, as it directly affects how the PCM controls boost levels during engine operation. Verifying this component is a necessary step for effective troubleshooting. A next troubleshooting step involves examining the turbocharger wastegate control actuator. Start by performing a test using the HDS to access the electric wastegate function. This will help you determine whether the actuator is operational. Visually inspect the actuator as well to ensure that it is not stuck or damaged. The wastegate control actuator plays a crucial role in managing exhaust flow to the turbocharger, and if it fails to open or close properly, it can lead to overboost situations. Pay close attention to its operational status during this inspection, as a malfunction in this component can directly contribute to the issues indicated by DTC P0234. The final troubleshooting step is to inspect the turbocharger bypass control line. Examine this line thoroughly for any signs of poor connections, blockages, or leaks that may affect its functionality. It's essential to check for restrictions in the line that could prevent proper flow of boost pressure as intended. Any physical damage to the components of the bypass control line should also be investigated. Ensuring that there are no blockages or leaks is crucial, as these issues can lead to false readings and improper operation of the turbocharger system, resulting in overboost conditions. By carefully inspecting this part of the system, you can eliminate a significant source of potential malfunction related to DTC P0234. After completing all necessary repairs related to DTC P0234, it's essential to conduct a final verification to ensure the issue has been resolved. Start by clearing any error codes from the PCM using the HDS to reset the system. Following this, perform a test drive under conditions similar to those that originally triggered the DTC. During the drive, monitor the engine's responsiveness and behavior. After the drive, recheck for any new error codes to verify that the previous issue does not resurface. This process confirms that the components have been appropriately addressed and ensures that the turbocharging system is functioning correctly. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding the recurrence of DTC P0234 and ensuring the longevity of the turbocharging system. Regular inspections of sensors, including the barometric pressure and turbocharger boost sensors, can help identify issues before they escalate. Maintaining proper fluid levels in the engine and the turbocharger system is also essential, as low fluid levels can lead to overheating and component wear. Additionally, routine inspections of the turbocharger and its related components, such as the wastegate and bypass control lines, should be scheduled to ensure they are clean and functioning correctly. Implementing these preventive measures effectively minimizes the risk of encountering similar DTCs in the future, thereby enhancing vehicle reliability and performance. In conclusion, DTC P0234 indicates a turbocharger overboost problem in the 2023 Honda Accord, which can lead to performance issues and potential engine damage. Understanding the underlying causes, such as faulty sensors and blocked control lines, is essential for effective troubleshooting. Following a systematic inspection approach allows technicians to pinpoint the exact source of the issue and make the necessary repairs. Finally, implementing preventive maintenance measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering similar diagnostic trouble codes in the future. By adhering to these guidelines, vehicle owners can ensure their Honda Accord operates smoothly and efficiently. Regular inspections and prompt resolutions are key to maintaining optimal engine performance and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.